Okay, so today here we're going to have this uh, very quick video about how to transfer a Moodle quiz when you don't have the questions, yeah? So the answer, sorry. So here's this question, you see, perfect. But if you see the format to import it is not the same, yeah? The format should always be, if you remember, it should be like this. The question, A, B, C, D, answer E. Yeah. So there are multiple ways to do it. One way is, to just start typing. You say edit here and say answer, um, answer C, and go and change here each one of these one and say this one is A and this one is B. Yeah, and start doing all these things. So this is a good idea. Yeah. However, another option is to ask ChatGPT to do it for you. So how you do it? You need here there is somebody was very nice and put all the correct answer in red. So to ask ChatGPT to do those kind of things, you need to go here and save. Do two things. Save the document, but not as a docs. You have to save it as here as a HTML, yeah? And if you save it as that, he will be able to recognize it. So let me show you what I did. Okay, cancel. Let me show you. Here are the questions, and if you see it's the same question, and I put it as a HTML. In particular, here these questions you need to remove this. There were two type of questions. Yeah, you don't need this. Yeah, you can just delete that thing. It's not necessary. Yeah, and save it as a HTML. Yeah, in that case, that break is not going to allow you. So again, so it's able to read all the questions. If not, it will just measure transform only half, and you have to do the other half. So then, what you do is now that you have these things, you go to ChatGPT, and this is what I did. So um, here it is. So I asked them if he was able to detect it, and he said yes, I can detect it. Yeah, but you need to upload it in HTML. So this is what we did. There are different ways also to do it. That one was easy enough. So what I did here is to upload it. How you upload a document? You just go here and add as a file. In this case, I add this one here. Yeah. So you upload it here. And then I said, could you detect the text in red? And could you please rewrite the questions? And look, he was able to do it. Then I asked them, please write those questions in the document using the following format. So I just give it this format that is the correct format and put the answer C. And, um, and then look, you see that the questions are there. Everything is there. You can double check which of the following and is the answer which of the following adjust the brightness of the microscope lab. So here, if you see which of the following adjusted the microscope level is the Rios test. And as I didn't remove the page break, I have to do it twice. So this is, you can, yeah, have to do it with the second part. And I said, could you add the same thing to this document? If you remove the page break, you delete it as I show you in this video. You don't have to do it again and look. So it did it, and you can copy and paste, these things. Don't do it here. Yeah, it will lose the format and it will be a pain. You can go here and you can go to a new Word document and you can paste it without a format, and you can here, if you want, you can delete this thing, remove the spaces. You can also this using ChatGPT, but it's so easy. If there were 20 questions in a row, I will do it, but it's so easy that and then you can save it, give it the correct name. Like for example, here I gave him um, quite, you know, let's put it. You have to save it as a txt, uh, plain text, yeah, and you can, for example, put it questions, like the continuing the format that they have. Here I already had it, so I'm now going to rewrite it, and it's going to do it. Yeah, so it's going to make a text. Let me show you. So the final result, it will be something that look like this. Yeah, and this is the same thing that I have shown you before, that you can upload easily to to Populi. Yeah, so it's pretty easy. Here I have to divide it into two quizzes because I didn't remove the break in the beginning. I think if you remove the page break before to save it, this will happen. Yeah, you can do it right away and it can save you time. Okay, I hope that. Oh, another thing that I said, so you can copy and paste it, or you can just ask them in the ChatGPT can ask you, do you want that I put it in a docs document or a PDF? And you can say, what about if you put it in a text document? And you download later the text document. Sorry, it didn't this time. I had to didn't I didn't do it correctly, and I just have to go and fix few things here to remove the spaces, and it's pretty quick. Okay, so I hope that it was clear. If you have any other questions, let me know. Have a good day.